Imagine a cascade of water, free-falling from the height of a skyscraper, shrouded in mist, and set in an untouched wilderness. Welcome to Angel Falls. This is no ordinary waterfall. It's the world's highest, with an uninterrupted drop of almost a kilometer that's over 3,000 feet. It's a sight that leaves even the most seasoned travelers in awe. The falls are tucked away within the lush expanse of Canaima National Park in Venezuela, a UNESCO World Heritage Site. This park is a veritable Eden, filled with unique and diverse ecosystems, and the Angel Falls is its crowning jewel. The falls plunge from the towering Tepuy, a plateau that stands as a sentinel in this verdant landscape. The Tepuy's cliffs and the cascading waterfall create an ethereal spectacle that seems more fantasy than reality. Angel Falls is not just a waterfall, it's a testament to the raw and untamed beauty of our planet. Angel Falls was not named for its heavenly beauty, but after Jimmy Angel, an adventurous aviator. This American daredevil first set eyes on the falls in the early 1930s while searching for a gold ore bed. In 1933, Jimmy Angel, his wife Marie, and two companions embarked on a flight that would etch their names into the annals of history. During their aerial journey, they spotted a breathtaking waterfall cascading from the Tepuy, an imposing tabletop mountain. Captivated by its grandeur, they decided to land atop the Tepuy, but their plane got stuck in the marshy terrain. The group then trekked for 11 days before reaching civilization, but their story of the magnificent falls sparked global interest. The waterfall was named Angel Falls in honor of Jimmy Angel's discovery. Hence, the name of the world's highest waterfall is a salute to this audacious aviator. Jimmy Angel's adventure brought the world's attention to this awe-inspiring waterfall. Tepuy, the towering Tepuy from which Angel Falls cascades, is a marvel of nature's architecture. This massive sandstone plateau, stretching over 700 square kilometers, is a testament to the power and patience of geological forces. Over millions of years, climatic and erosional processes have chiseled this Tepuy into a fortress of stone, creating a landscape marked by sheer cliffs and flat summits. The weather plays a dramatic role in shaping Tepuy. Torrential rains carve deep channels into the sandstone, while intense sunlight causes the rock to fracture and crumble. This weathering process has resulted in the formation of Tepuy's characteristic tabletop shape, its steep, nearly vertical walls providing a stark contrast to the flat summit above. Beneath the surface, a network of caves and sinkholes add to the plateau's intrigue, carved out by the relentless flow of water over the eons. It is from one such precipice that Angel Falls makes its breathtaking plunge. Tepuy, with its dramatic cliffs and plateaus, is the perfect stage for the spectacle of Angel Falls. Canaima National Park is a treasure trove of biodiversity, with Angel Falls as its crowning jewel. This vast wilderness is a sanctuary for an array of unique species that have adapted to its diverse ecosystems. Roaming the park's grasslands, you'd likely encounter the giant anteaters, their long snouts snuffling eagerly for ants and termites. Scuttle into the park's more arid regions, and you may stumble upon armadillos, their armor-like shells a testament to evolution's ingenuity. But it's not just the ground dwellers that make Canaima a biodiversity hotspot. Look up, and you might spot a dazzling array of bird species, from the vibrant scarlet ibis to the stealthy harpy eagle. These feathered inhabitants add an audible layer to the park's rich tapestry, their calls echoing through the ancient forest. It's this combination of vibrant life on land and in the air that makes Canaima National Park a paradise for nature enthusiasts. The rich biodiversity of Canaima National Park adds to the allure of Angel Falls. The Pemon people, the indigenous inhabitants of this region, are the true guardians of Angel Falls. Living in harmony with the land for centuries, they have developed an intimate understanding of its diverse ecosystems. Their traditions, passed down from generation to generation, reflect a profound respect for the natural world and its delicate balance. Angel Falls, known as Kerapakupai Vina in the Payman language, holds a special place in their folklore. It's seen as a sacred site, a symbol of their ancestral spirits. Similarly, Tepuy, the towering tabletop mountain from which the falls plunge, is shrouded in mystique. It's often referred to as the mountain of the god of evil, a testament to its imposing presence and the Pemon's reverence for nature's formidable power. The Pemon people's deep connection to the land, their traditions, and the cultural significance of Angel Falls and Ollantaytambo are what make them the true custodians of this natural wonder. The Pemon people and their traditions are an integral part of the story of Angel Falls. Experiencing Angel Falls is a sensory immersion into the power and beauty of nature. Imagine standing at various vantage points around the falls, each offering a unique perspective of this majestic spectacle. From afar, it appears as a silver ribbon, tumbling down the face of the Ollantaytambo, a testament to the raw, unrefined beauty of our world. As you draw nearer, the falls transform into a thunderous cascade, its roar echoing through the verdant expanse of the Canaima National Park. The mist, a cool, gentle spray, dances on your skin, a refreshing embrace from the falls herself. The sound of the roaring water drowns out all else, creating a symphony of nature that resonates deep within your soul. It's a humbling experience, a reminder of our place within the grand scheme of things. Angel Falls leaves an indelible impression on all who witness its grandeur. The preservation of Angel Falls and its surroundings is a responsibility we all share. This majestic waterfall, and the rich biodiversity it supports, faces threats from multiple fronts. The surge in tourism, while bringing much-needed economic benefits, also poses challenges. The increased footfall exerts pressure on the fragile ecosystem, leading to erosion and habitat disruption. Climate change, too, adds to the woes, altering rainfall patterns and impacting the waterfall's flow. To counter these threats, concerted conservation efforts are underway. Local communities, government bodies, and international organizations are joining hands to safeguard this natural wonder. Initiatives include stringent regulations on tourist activities, sustainable tourism practices, and extensive reforestation programs. Education plays a crucial role as well, with programs designed to raise awareness about the importance of preserving Angel Falls and its unique ecosystem. The future of Angel Falls depends on our collective commitment to conservation. Let's ensure this awe-inspiring spectacle continues to captivate generations to come.